I am dying to share with you what I just bought.
Shopping, huh?
So we're about to do a little bit shopping. I know I just did a shopping vlog a couple of days ago, but I just want to see what they have. I just want to see something. So we're at the Grove. This place reminds me of Christmas so much, of the North Pole and all that. I love it. So yeah, we're about to go up there right now. I have these high-waisted leggings with my cute little YSL purse.
Our city, but I'm gonna get arrested because I'm telling people about it, and that's okay.
You would not believe the gift that I just got. I cannot wait to open it with you. So let's open it. And it's so pretty. Oh my god, I don't know if I have time to do an unboxing, but they really wrapped it for me really nicely. Okay. It's a little stubborn. There we go. Ooh, I am a sucker for packaging. That looks, it says Tom Ford all over it. My camera is not picking it up, but this is it. Tom Ford. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Okay, let me open it again. Oh my god, look guys. It's the duo. One's rose gold. My child won't let me be great right now.
It's not Vaughn, he wouldn't be working.
My child. Okay, back to what I was saying. Look at this, guys. So it's the duo shimmer body oil. So I want to wear it right now, but it doesn't want to come out. Okay, this is how it looks. Oh, it's a spray. Oh my god, I want to spray it so bad, but I don't want to wear my dress for tonight. I'm so excited. I cannot wait.
Spray it on me.
Do you want to use my stuff? I can't have nothing. Spray on your chest.
Okay.
Not a lot. Not a
coming
lot.
out.
Yeah, I hear it. There you go. Let me see.
Ooh, it's delightful.
It's delightful.
Yep.
That's my mom over there, guys. Hi, guys. It smells.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's like a. It's nice. It's nice. I can't wait to wear it. You know, next year we're going on trips. I'm going to put this on every day.
Where you going?
We're going to New Orleans. Going to
Essence.
to the Essence Fest. We're going to Aruba
Soulfest.
and Soulfest. Okay, so we should be putting her on the camera, right? Okay. I love this gift. I'm gonna cherish it. I'm gonna wear it every day when the summer comes because it's gonna be lit. And I want to share with you some other luxury items I got. You know, every year I try to buy me something because, you know, my birthday's today and Christmas next week, so I just buy me a nice gift altogether. I didn't go all out this year, but I'm gonna share with you the other two purchases.
Been sharpened, huh?
She plays too much. Okay, so the first little item is this cute card holder. Look at it. Burberry. The only reservation I have about this is I know this is going to crease over time. So, but this is how it looks inside. It says Burberry on here. And then you pull this out. And comes with, you can take this out by itself or use it separately. I love the color too. This is so cute. So cute, so cute. And it matches my nails perfectly, huh? I just noticed that. So the next item. Why can't you go get it?
Did you look at the camera like, thank you?
Okay. So this is the next item. This is like a vintage purse and I am going to cherish this. They don't sell this anymore. It's also from Burberry. But look at the patterns of this purse. Even though it's flat, this is so cute. Like the details of this is, the chain is like this. Okay, my camera's not doing any justice, but this is immaculate. Like I love it. I've never seen anybody with this purse. Look how big the handle is. And looking inside, it has a card holder slot in it. This is so cute. And all inside, it has Burberry written all over it. I'm going to cherish this. This is like a major find. And you guys know that I love my heart to be gold because it matches literally everything that I wear. I love it. So the last item I want to share with you is okay. She played too much. So the last item I'm going to share with you is something that I cherish. I am so excited that I got my hands on it, and I put in a few pictures already, so you guys probably already seen it. Whoever follows me. If you have not followed me on Instagram, you guys are missing out. I'm putting my link in the description box, and I'm probably put my Instagram name right here. So this is what I'm talking about. It is so sexy, so sleek. It goes with literally everything. I wish this was gold, but I can't be a beggar. This is how it looks up close. It's a chevron print. So, oh my god, it's like no words to describe it. And when you open it, this is how it looks. It has, let me take the chain out. This is the chain. It's really long, so when I do wear it, I fold it and I fold it around so it won't look as long on me. It says the Saint Laurent in here. It has a card holder. It has multiple card holders in here, and it has a zipper part right here. Like, this purse is everything. Everything. And like when I do wear this out, I do not put a lot of stuff in here. I just put my cards in here. I take my key off because I don't want this to be heavy, and it's so delicate. I don't want this to rip inside the handle. I don't want that to rip. So I just literally I don't really put anything in here. But I freaking love this purse. This is everything. It's so small, like, it's so sexy. So that is it for my luxury haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty, and vlogs. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.